Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my new video. And my name is Porosh. I'm a student and as well as an English video creator. I love to make English videos and share my skills with you. And today's video is super duper interesting because I am with my friend Mujahid. Mujahid is my very good friend and he's my school friend. Okay, so Mujahid, welcome to my video. How are you today?
Thanks for having me. Well, I'm feeling very good.
Okay, so we
Today
are
is a beautiful morning and
yeah
we are in a nice place.
yeah
This place is nice.
yeah we are on
Very
a
good.
we are on a, such a nice place. So do you come here randomly?
I'm sometimes when I'm like in the morning, I don't come here when it's crowded. In the morning,
Okay,
people are working out, walking, swimming, and it's all like a very healthy place for me
okay.
right now.
So let's talk about your leisure time. When and how much leisure time you generally have?
Well, I actually don't have any fixed leisure time, but sometimes when I feel like I'm tired or stuff, I have my time. I take my time to take rest.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
fine.
that's
Okay, so let's talk about your leisure activities. What type of activities you love to do in your free time?
um, well, I usually play games in mobile to pass my leisure time, and sometimes I like go out with myself or sometimes with friends,
Yeah.
hang out with them, or play with my brothers.
Okay, so yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice. Okay, so let's talk about your hobbies. Do you think hobbies are very much important?
Well, I think hobbies are very important for a man um, in life because hobbies gives you will to live. Like sometimes you have something to do, like you wanna do something and that's your hobby, and
Okay,
you are passionate about that, and you can pursue career on that so that you can live and have a good earning and stuff.
okay, that's also fine. Okay,
Because if
so
you like do the thing which is your hobby, that means you like it, and when you like it you don't feel like tired or anxious when doing it.
okay, that's fine. Okay, so do you prefer to spending time with your family or with your friends? Why and why?
um, well, it depends on what friends. Like I don't hang out with friends often. We meet at the we eat twice a week or thrice a week. I have my family at my home. We hang out. We have dinner or lunch together. So that's all. And I maximum time I spend time with myself. Yeah. I hang out with myself
Okay,
alone.
you love to be alone.
I don't love to. I mean, sometimes it's better to be alone.
Okay, that's
I'm not
fine.
lonely, but I'm saying like when you want to know yourself, you have to be with yourself.
Okay, so I know you are such a brilliant student and you got A plus on your ACC examination, and maybe if everything goes well, then you will get another A plus in your HSC exam. So
Inshallah,
yeah,
I'll try
inshallah.
to
Okay,
be there.
so what's your plan? Which university do you want to study after finish your
Well,
HSC?
if I really work hard, then I will try to get admitted in BUET. Like I have been dreaming about BUET since 2017. Like when I was in class five,
Yeah.
one of my sir talked about BUET, and it is so special in Bangladesh and stuff. You know.
Okay,
But
Kuwait is one of the
yeah, and
best.
I don't have any intention to be a medical student because
Yeah, me
it's
too.
so much pressure.
Yeah.
I will try to be an engineer, like some computer stuff.
Yeah, for engineering, Kuwait is a great option in
This
our
is the
country.
best option in
Yeah,
Bangladesh I
it's the
can
best
think of.
option in our country. Okay. Next question that I'm going to ask you, that will be, how often do you read books?
Well, I read books very often, but as I'm a HSC candidate for 25 HSC exam, I have to read books like textbook. I mostly read textbooks,
Yeah.
especially the biology book. That sucks, but I have to read that. And I read non-fictions like self improvement books and stuff.
Okay,
That helps me a lot.
yeah, that's fine. So, what book would you recommend to a friend like me that I need to that I must read?
I think as a non-fiction book, of course, you should read the 48 Laws of Power.
Okay. What kind of book it
It's
is?
a self-improvement book. I haven't read that, but I have watched some of its videos that people explain that book, and I find it very interesting and like too much to learn. Like it's
Okay.
very important.
That's fine. Do you prefer to read ebooks or paper books?
Well, of course, paper books. I don't like that ebooks.
Paper books. Okay.
Like I can't stare at the screen for a long time.
Okay, Mujahid. So, how often do you go to cinema hall?
Well, I don't go to cinema halls. I don't go to cinema halls and concerts. I don't like that.
You don't like them.
Nah, I don't like them anymore.
Okay. Jade, now I'm going to ask you a very important question. You need to answer this question with deeply thinking. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So the question is that why everyone should learn English?
Well, of course, it's very obvious that English is an international language, and in order to communicate with the world, you have to use this is the easiest way.
Yeah,
Like
this
English is the easiest way, and like in our world, is there are 195 countries, and if you want to visit any of them, you have to communicate with people,
Yeah.
and English is the easiest way.
Yeah, I think when we go to abroad, I think English is the only option to communicate.
Like
with.
you can't learn every other language. Like when you go to Germany, you have to learn German, then
Yeah.
Japanese, then Mandarin. Like
Oh.
you can't learn a lot of things.
Yeah.
I mean, you can, of course, if you want to, but I don't want.
Okay.
When I have English, I can use them.
Yeah. Mujahid, what do you think? Why we can't be able to speak in English even after study in English 10 or 12 years?
Well, we lack a lot of practice. Like we can, of course, we can write in English and we can read English, but sometimes
Yeah.
we can't speak it properly. Even I can't speak properly because I lack practice. And even we have been studying English in school for like 12 years, and I haven't seen any teacher to say like we are gonna speak English today or like stuff like that. He never spoke us in English. Yeah, of course, maybe sir did, but they don't like practice too much
Yeah,
speaking.
I
And
think-
we can like sometimes we can think in English, but we have to process the words and transform it and then say it out. But it takes a lot of time, so we get nervous and
I think
stuff.
for improving in our English, I think practice is a must, right?
Practice is the solution, I guess.
Yeah. Okay,
Like if you practice enough, I think you can do it well.
okay. So
And-
if someone come and want some suggestion from you, what will be your suggestion to him about learning English?
Like learning English, you have to learn it from like grammars and stuff. But if you want to speak English, the best thing you can do is to practice it with your friends,
Yeah.
because they would not judge. I guess they would not judge you, and you can learn from them as they will also learn with you.
Yeah. I think friends play a
They play a
can
vital role.
Yeah, they can play a vital role in this regard. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that it was very enjoyable.
Yeah, that was a nice conversation.
Yeah, that was a nice conversation with you, Mujahid. And many thanks to you from my side to come in the morning and take part in my video.
No
And
worries.
I'm really glad for this. And okay, so that's all for now. It's time to go and take our breakfast because it's almost 9 a.m. and we haven't take our breakfast. So it's time to take our breakfast. So thanks for watching, guys. All the best to all of you.